Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp status sound problem. Okay, let's start. First of all, click on WhatsApp apps. Now click on update. Now click on my status. See, my sound has not working. Okay, let's fix it. Now go back your home screen. Go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now click on General Management. Now click on Reset. Now reboot your phone. Go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your WhatsApp apps. Search bar, now search your WhatsApp apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and click on WhatsApp apps. Now click on three dot and click on settings. Now click on notification. Enable all these settings. Now go back your status and see your problem solved successfully. Thank you.